Presenting slides works best when everyone moves through the content together. Projectors and interactive whiteboards are helpful, but in many situations, keeping everyone on the same slide isn't easy. Some move ahead, others fall behind, and the flow of the presentation breaks. Present to All in Collabora Online Impress helps you guide the presentation flow and keep everyone's slides aligned in real time. You can find this option in the slideshow menu. Once Present to All is selected, slide navigation is controlled by the presenter. When the presenter moves to the next or previous slide, the slide view updates instantly for all participants. If a participant manually changes their slide, they can click the Follow Presenter button at the bottom of the screen to return to the presenter's current slide. If they exit the presentation view, they can simply click Follow Presenter again to reopen the presentation on the current slide and continue without disruption. This removes the need for manual navigation and ensures that explanations stay connected to the correct slide. It also enables participants to go back a slide if there is something they missed and would like to review quickly before resuming the presenter's view. Follow Presenter is particularly useful in teaching, training, and other structured sessions where content is presented step by step. Try it in Collabora Online Impress and keep your presentations clear, structured, and in sync. For more helpful tips, subscribe to our channel.